Today I want to show you our big block forward water outlet. And starting off, this is how you'll receive it. Be in a little white box like this. Have everything you need in the kit. So as we unbox it, open it up. You got the water outlet, bolts, sticker, and this little stuffer card. So the stuffer card just has some general information about us here at DREWFAB, as well as some product instructions on how you want to install the product. Has your 12-point ARP stainless bolts and washers, and then you have the water outlet. Water outlet comes with its high temp silicone O-ring for sealing, so you don't have to glue these down, no gasket required. And that's how it comes to you. So we offer these in black anodized, as you can see this one is, and bare. Bare has no coating on it. It'll be up to you to put some sort of coating on it to keep it from corroding, but that's how you'll receive them, is either black anodized or bare. The threads on our water outlets are a -10 ORB. That is the same size as an AN-10. The difference between an AN-10 and an ORB-10 is the ORB seals via an O-ring here at the top, whereas an AN would have the tapered seat, the 37-degree seat at the bottom. So it's important you use the right fitting for these threads, otherwise you'll mess up the threads. We do offer the fittings. We offer a straight and a 90-degree fitting as an option for the product in your kit. We offer them currently in black. The straight is just that. It's a straight fitting with a -10 male coming out of it. And then the 90-degree is a 90-degree swivel. Same thing, it's a male, so you can put your female hose end on it. We offer Fragola Performance brand hose and fittings and hose ends here, and that's what we offer in the kit, is a Fragola Performance -10 and ORB male, either straight or 90-degree fitting. So once again, this is our big block forward water outlet. This uses a -10 ORB thread and a O-ring seal, so you no longer need your gasket or your glue. Check in with us next week for the next product spotlight. If you want to buy these, you can get on our website at www.drewbuilt.com/shop and order them right there. We have them in stock, ready to go.